dust cover everything is. Look at this stuff. Third floor. Did you say one more after this? Two more after this?
Mm-hmm.
Some of these don't even have beds in them. Toilet. Another toilet. You can't even get in there. We're sort of almost done. Not really. This place is huge, man. I had no idea. This is pretty much empty. Going up? Huh? One more floor of that. Dang it, those people are on 4 too. God. Maybe we should go up to 5 and then come back down 4. Because they're coming this way. But I think they're just walking through quick. Oh, they're almost done though. Yeah. They ain't even really looking at anything. It's a little bit. There ain't too much. Right up on the ceiling. There's a lot of holes in the ceilings. Fourth floor is tore up. Jeez. Some door. That one's not as bad as the other ones. That hole. The only thing left to do in here is the roof. my gosh. That vehicle. Holy crap. Bonnie! I gotta get out there to that. We didn't even I seen that yet either. I think that's the place right by the hospital where we started. Look at those signs. Bonnie! Bonnie? I don't know where she went. This one don't take you to the roof. Okay, let's stop this. This is the outside of the building we were just in. Here's that truck. City of Chicago Bureau of Electricity, Department of Streets and Sanitation. March 1830. Oh, well, Chicago, City of Chicago Incorporated, March 1837. Does the hoist levers work? I'm pulling the levers. They don't do anything. This is cool.